Shenseea is giving away over 100 tablets to Jamaican students.
Shenyang tablets for my babies. Big up Wristcraft JA for lasering my logo on it.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, some of us want big up the people them where help the student them get tablet, and Shenseea one of them people, you know what I mean, Ramesh, you have Lava do a great job with it, you see what I say, then you have like Cranium where donate to Lava, and you have couple people, Nikki Blacks and other people who have a Lava live, right? But now which is Shenseea say she did have a promise where she makes, she go buy 100 tablets when she do her first show, and we been see her do some show, you know what I mean, Atlanta, New York, all over. So she finally come true on her promise. So I have some videos for show you what she make. Now the first video what I show you, she explains that she bought the tablets, she got them customized with our logo, our Shenyang logo, the little dragon thing upon it. So if you see nobody a try if you sell them, you don't know where they get them from. Those kind of tablets are not for sale, at least with the logo upon it. So you know say she give them. So here is the video.
Hey guys, I don't know, say it's your girl Shenseea here, and I promised myself that after doing my first show that I would do a giveaway. So I bought over 100 tablets for kids who are in need. So if you or anybody that you know is in need of a tablet, please let me know. I feel like, you know, with parents being underpaid right now because they have no choice, and you know, some of you guys, they don't even have a job, to much less purchase a tablet or a laptop for your kids to participate in online schooling. It's extremely vital for kids to gain an access to be given a chance to get an education. So yeah, I bought them for you guys, and I'll be distributing them island wide. So hit me up or anybody from my team. Oh, and one more thing, I made sure to put my logo on it. So if you see anybody trying to sell you this tablet, please don't buy it. I buy it full already. Now buy it from nobody. It's free. So the schools, please to hit me up as well, because you know, schools, please to hit me up as well, because you know, you might have people on the PATH program that, you know, the kids who are really desperately in need. Just hit me up. I will send your tablets to you island wide.
So I definitely love what I see her going from what day. When I see how Scatter and Shenseea and Conscience help out farmer girl Jessie, right? If you don't know that story, they did a video like 2 days ago, and you know what I mean, you can check that out. So now we see Lava them help out with tablet show Jamaica, and we already know Sarah Ramesh did already help out with some, and now Shenseea even join the fight and distribute some herself, right? So if anybody there, I mean, I know 100 tablets will go fast still, but hopefully, you know what I mean, more are gonna come around and more people are gonna join in on the effort, and then we have more than 100. Cause Lava give away over 100 already. I think he give away like 73 in a one night, and then him give us some more even last night again, right? Some have some more video with Shenseea. Now Shenseea address a different thing now. Now Shenseea send a bother with the can artist thing. So if you know, say you don't need the tablet, please don't take it, because you have students who really need it, and it would really help them for, you know what I mean, further their education and make them can actually join in and participate in the online class, because we all know how this thing go. You see me? So you know, if you are a parent and you feel like you need a tablet, you know, try to get in contact with Shenseea team, and she go explain who you can really contact to get a tablet. So now people, I don't know, I don't think it's like you just go and them will give you something. I think them will go screen you, ask you something. But, you know what I mean, she never really said that. But anyway, let she tell you who you can contact. So here is the video. Here goes.
Very nice. I'm glad we done the video. Happy it. Anyways, people, hit up myself, Black Boy, Ramesh, Slider, Happy Feet, somebody, anybody at all from a team to notify us if you or, you know, somebody that needs a tablet, okay? Anybody. And another thing, I'm asking you guys, please, nobody with a confuckery, right? If you know, say you don't need the tablet, please don't message anybody like you're in need. I need the people them who really not have nothing. Forget the tablet. Please, that's all me ask. Cool? And I'm doing this for my country. Jamaica, island wide. So even if you're there wear a negril, you're still eligible for get a tablet. my country, Jamaica, this giveaway is for you.
So once again, I just want to commend the people who are giving away tablets. You know, we mentioned Lava, we say Ramesh, and now we have Shenseea. Also, Cranium is involved, Nicky Blacks. These are just some of the names and what me know people. There is other people. So, you know what I mean? Would I encourage you to forget in the comment section and big them up said way, especially if you are one of them people who got a tablet from any of them names that we just call. Or anybody else where I give a tablet and them thing there, you know what I mean? And you can put them name in the comment section if you don't know somebody what me no know or me just not remember right now. So with this post, Shenseea also had a caption, and the caption says, "This is something that has been bothering me since the lockdown, especially since I am a single mother. I can only imagine what some parents are going through. So I am giving away over 100 tablets to support your child that have difficulty gaining access to participate in online schooling. I love y'all. #Shenyang. I wish I could have seen you to deliver them myself, but I'm still in quarantine. Please to hit me or any of my team members up. #stay safe." Right? So Shenseea says she in a quarantine. That means that she reached back at Jamaica. People we know that she was in the States, so she definitely sound like she reached back at Jamaica, and you know she had do something in a Jamaica. So you know, hopefully, like I said, people, this can get bigger from here. So more people can aid in the effort and more people can join in. And, you know, we actually get a good coverage on the students, them we actually need something, right? So, I love to see what I go on. You see what I say? Me, myself, I have to start taking consideration and do what I can do. You know, right now, I just can share the stories them and get it to other people and show them, say, all right, then, Shenseea, give us something. If you can give us something to, you know what I mean, Ray, or if we can just support Shenseea, or any way we can do it. So, that's my little part what I do as of now. Hopefully, you know what I mean, we can do further. And people like we say, if you can actually give a tablet, you know what I mean, just sharing or whatever, or getting, you know what I mean, like she say, you can link somebody where you know they need it and tell them about it so them can get it. That is just considered as helping also. So, big up everybody. That's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful night, day, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!